Okay, I'm going to show you how to contact YouTube or Google or how to chat with them. It's two ways you can do it. It's real simple. The first way is that once you're on your channel, if you monetize, you can go right here. Right here says chat with creator support. You just click on it. It says you're number one. So you can just start chatting right there. Okay, we're going to exit out of this. As you can see, they started chatting. I'm going to just exit and cancel that. Yes, end this chat. Okay, and another way you can chat with YouTube or send them an email, just go here to a new page and I'm going to copy and paste right here where it says support google.com/YouTube answer 3545535, and I'm going to put that in the description below. You click on it, and what you can do, you can come down here, you can start chat or email. Like I say, you have to be a YouTube partner or monetized to use the chat. So I click chat here and go and figure out what you want to do. English, Japanese, Italian. So we're going to put English. And then it asks for your channel URL. And to find that, you just go right here and you can go over here where it says account, your channel, and you come up here and copy, then go back to the chat.
Whenever you guys are watching this channel first,
Let me pause this and go back to your chat and enter Control V and start chat. And you hit start chat here. And like you're saying, I already got a chat section that's already open. Alright, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And have a great day.